Hello, welcome on PhoneReco channel. Today I have iPhone XS after hard drop and in the quite bad condition. The problem is no touch, but I will try to fix it and retrieve the data. Okay, so please watch the video and hopefully you like it. Yes, so as you can see, phone is fixed. The touch issue problem is solved. There was a problem with the connection between boards. I have to resolder the bolts, and this way I fixed the problem. So it wasn't very complicated, and I'm glad that I could solve it. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.